Hello, a great day to you. Bankola DM here from Klacify Nigeria. In this video, I want to show to you how you copy and paste questions into the CBT template of the Klacify app and then upload it to the CBT section of your app. So the first thing to do is this. This is CBT template. You must have got it. And then this is where I want to copy questions from. Let's see. What document? So firstly, I'm going to open the CBT template. So it's going to ask you to open it with any application you have on your phone that can open CSV files. So you can either use WPS or use Google Sheet. Both are okay, but I'm going to use Google Sheet. So this is the way it looks like. So let me go back and open the question and start copying. So this is the question. This can be opened with anything into, but I prefer docs. So these are the questions where I want to be copying. So let me start copying them. To make it faster, let me copy the easiest ones. The shorter ones, I mean. So you can copy the whole question, including the options too. And that's one way of doing it. Then minimize, come back to your file here. So here, click at the top to widen the space for the question. You can cancel this for now, come back to it. It's asking us to save. We're going to save. So tap the first step, the first cell. Then you tap here to enter your text. So you will paste that text that you have copied. Now remember, we have copied the options along with it, but the options and the questions are not supposed to be in the same cell. There is a cell for question, there is a cell for option A, cell for option B, cell for option C, cell for option D, and cell for the answer. So we are going to place the options in their cells as well as the answer. So what I'm going to do is, let me widen this space for it to be clearer. Let me widen these ones too. So here, the first option is solid. Let me write that here. Solid. That's for option A. Option B is liquid. Option C among the questions. Okay, let me come back here. Gas and river, those are option C and D. Gas, D, river. The answer is gas, so that's option C. Now that we are done with entering them properly, so the extra ones here, let me delete them. The options that are part of the questions in the question cell, we have to delete them so that it remains the question alone in the question cell. Good. So this way, we are done with question 1. So this is the question. And these are the options and the answer. So click on the check mark. Now let's save. So that if you want to save, I advise you save on your device. Then it's going to ask you where you want to save it in your device. automatically it's giving me download, and I like to have it in download so that it can be easy for me to locate when I need it. So download is okay, but I have to edit the name to something that will be easier for me to remember here. For example, this is GSS1 Basic Science. Let me just say GSS1 Basic Science. Then it must end in CSV. It must end in CSV. So click on save when you are done. Good. Now we can continue adding questions. Let me tap on cell 2 for question. So I'll come here to copy a question as well. So let's say this is the question I want to copy. Let me copy the question alone. This is another format of doing it. You may not copy the options along it. So just paste here directly. You know you are done with copying of the question. It's called dash. That's okay. Then you may have to widen it if the space is too much. If the text are more than the space available for a neater work, you may have to widen the space. And to do that, it's simply just tap at the top, then drag the border line. So the options. This is the question. So we have liquefying, copy, liquefying, paste. Option B is dissolving. Let me write that one since I saw that sometimes writing might be faster than copying. Option C is melting. This is it. Melting, then D, freezing. These are the. So let me just quickly write those ones. Melting, D, freezing. Which one is the correct answer? The process by which a substance changes from solid state to the liquid state on application of heat is, that's melting. Option C as well. So you type option C here. So that's where you copy questions and on and on and on like that. So let me add one more question to make it easier, to make it better. So one more question. Okay, let me add this number 10. I'm copying everything this time around too. So come here, paste. Everything including the question, the options has been pasted here. So let me just add the options in their own cells and delete the options from the cell of the question. So option A is wood, B plastic, C rubber, and D zinc. Okay. So I come here. This one is wood. Second one is plastic. Option D, rubber, and this one is zinc. The right answer is zinc. That is D. So I select that. Then come back here just to check that the options are not here. So let me delete them. Good. So we are done this way. So when you are done with importing your questions and you of course check that they are all in their right places, questions are in their cells, options are in their cells, and you have selected their answers, please ensure you select their answers, because if you don't select the answers, though you can still do it in the CBT section, but it's better you do so that once you import, it will just fit in perfectly. So once I'm done, I just click on the check mark here. So click on the check mark at the top here. So we are saved that way. So that's done. So let me minimize now, then go on to the Klacify app, the CBT section, to upload the question. This is Klacify app. I was already here, so let me leave here. No. Save and exit. So let me come back here. So from your Klacify app, assuming you want to import questions from the CSV file that you have copied your questions into. So you come to the app, click on the menu icon, school portal, CBT, assignment and CBT, then the class you want to work on, let's say JS1. So this is one exam, CBT exam I've created. Now I'm going to create another one by clicking on the plus sign at the bottom here. New CBT exam, title, let's say GS1, GSS1, basic science. So click on continue. Then here we have, this is the first interface you see. If you want to type question, you type here, but I'm not typing, so I want to import from CSV. So I'm going to click on this option, import from CSV, upload. So it's going to bring you to your phone. If it doesn't bring you here, you can select, you can bring it to your recent. So this is the one I just created now, as you can see, just one basic science. So you can click on it directly, and if it doesn't bring you, you can come to download too, because remember we saved it in download. So you can select documents. So it's going to bring what you have. This is it, as you can see. So you can select from here too. So let me select it. As you can see, 3 questions imported successfully. Remember, we said just 3 questions. Now, mind you, the first question, the first space will be empty, as you can see. So these are the questions I imported. The first one, in which state of matter do the particles move freest? As you can see, solid, liquid, gas, river. The answer is C. Selected perfectly, as you can see what we did earlier on. Now to this one that is empty, simply just click on the delete icon here to delete it, and if you wish you can add any question there too, so delete. So that way you have imported question from the CSV file that you pasted your questions to. I believe this is very clear and easy to do. Thank you very much. I'm still Koladiemi from Klacify. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this that shows you how to make use of the Klacify app easily. Thank you.